How's it going, whanau? Nia here. I thought I'll just do a quick video on how to use Coinbase. Because I went to go have a look on YouTube on how to use Coinbase, and the tutorials were too long for me to concentrate, so I thought I'll just make a new one. So if you go to your Coinbase has an app. You've filled out your details, you've linked your card up to it, and you've verified your ID. It'll look like this. So you're in the home page, and what we want to do is I'll go to the markets, which is the price down the bottom, and let's say for an example I want to buy USD Tether. Okay, so I go to USD, click on buy, click on, let's do XRP, and then see how my bank account number is here, and I've got that left to use in Coinbase for today because I already did XRP today. So I want to do, let's say $20 worth of Australian dollars, preview the buy. Then it will come up with here. So you've got your price of your XRP, the payment it's coming from, how much is purchased, and then the total of $20. And then all you need to do is click on buy now. And then it takes you to a securesuite.co.nz. See how it's processing from ING. Then it'll come back, do its thing. Okay, your order has been submitted. We will send you an email with your order status. So view account, and then you just wait for it to drop in. Hopefully it shouldn't take that. Oh, so it's already dropped in because I've used it before. So there you go. I brought $10 and $20 worth of XRP, and now I can send it. Click on that. Let's go back. If you click on that button below, you can click on it and click send. Send to another wallet. And then I want to max it out. Enter an email address or an address. So when you're sending it to Trust Wallet doesn't need a destination tag. So I'll paste my XRP address for my Trust Wallet. See the XRP tag? Trust Wallet doesn't have one. So I can go preview send down the bottom. Skip it. Let it do its thing. Yes, I want to send that. Send it now. And awesome. Look at XRP. Has no Coinbase fee or network fee, and the total of it is $27.33. Click send now. And click done. And then just wait for my transaction to go through. So it's sent, and then I can go and check on my Trust Wallet. So I hope that helps you guys that are using Coinbase out there. I know that the whanau in New Zealand, if they can't use Easy Crypto, they have to use Coinbase. Coinbase is pretty simple, as I can see. I'm in Australia, so this might be different to yours, but hopefully that helps you guys out there that are using Coinbase. Kia ora.